Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install Bluestacks on Windows 11. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open up your web browser and search for Bluestacks. Here, click on the first link and you will be on this official website of Bluestacks. Here, simply click on blue download button and Bluestacks installer will start to download. Once it's downloaded, you can then close off your browser and you need to open up your File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. Head over to the left and click on Downloads, and then here is Bluestacks. So go and double-click on it. You'll get a Windows security pop-up, which I can't record, and then you'll get this pop-up here, and yours will probably say Install. Mine says Update, as I have had Bluestacks before on this computer. It will then go and start the download process, so just wait. After it's finished downloading, it will say Checking System Requirements, and it will then start extracting files. After it's finished installing, it should automatically open. And as you can see now, I can use Bluestacks in Windows 11, and that's it. So that's basically how you can download and install Bluestacks on Windows 11. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.